Here's what happened on day 7 of the Diddy trial. Diddy's personal assistant, David James, retook the witness stand and he told jurors that he got condoms, Astroglide, Percocet, and Just for Men hair dye for Diddy. Once, James walked into Diddy's hotel room and saw Cassie on the bed. There was a naked man with long hair and a very large endowment who ran off when he entered the room. James said Diddy would search him and make him take lie detector tests. Once, he went with Diddy to find rival Suge Knight at Mel's Diner. Diddy had 3 guns in his lap, but they couldn't find him. Regina Ventura, Cassie's mother, testified for about 15 minutes, but it was some of the most impactful testimony of the trial. She took pictures of Cassie's bruises and they were shown to the jury. Diddy was upset Cassie was in a relationship with Kid Cudi, and Diddy demanded that Cassie repay him $20,000. If Cassie refused, Diddy said he would release 2 sex tapes of her and send someone to hurt her and Kid Cudi. Regina took out a home equity line to pay Diddy the money. 4 or 5 days later, the money was returned to her account without any explanation. This testimony proves coercion, which is an element of sex trafficking, and extortion, which is a predicate act for the racketeering charge. It also corroborates Cassie's account that she was beaten and bruised, and Diddy used the freak-off tapes as blackmail. Her testimony was powerful, and Diddy's lead lawyer, Mark Agnifilo, tried to prevent her from talking about the $20,000 payment. Agnifilo was unsuccessful, so he didn't ask Regina any questions on cross-examination. That's a common strategy when it comes to a victim's mother. You don't want to turn off the jurors. Sheree Hayes, a male escort known as the Punisher, then took the stand and described having sex with Cassie with Diddy present. Finally, an HSI agent who searched Diddy's Miami home talked about the AR-15 parts, loaded magazines, and baby oil found during the raid. Kid Cudi is expected to testify this week, and expert witness Dawn Hughes is up next. She's a clinical psychologist and abuse expert who previously testified in the R. Kelly and Johnny Depp Amber Heard cases. The defense unsuccessfully tried to exclude her testimony as well.